Lucius.
Nag-beetle na lang ako.
As long
Royal ba yun?
as
nasa southeast ako.
Chariots is alive, we're good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
go
gonna
lang
make a new
natin,
rule.
go lang natin.
I'm gonna make a new rule. If you don't talk in
Thanks.
PTB, if you don't talk in PTB, right? You have wood, right? You have wood. I need to hear the fucking you talking in PTB. If you guys are skill, whatever. If you guys are tanks or whatever, tank supports, sealers, right? I want to hear you guys talk. Eh? If you guys don't talk, you guys just go stay on trial. Like I'm so pissed out that there's no tanks that is consistently talking with me. Right? Like I asked for
CC
info,
zone
I asked for
natin
info. It takes like 10 seconds before you tell me info. Like you guys are like fucking, guessing, oh, who's gonna fucking scout and tell him the info, right? Like if you guys are not gonna fucking tell me info fast, might as well you just go trial. Like the infos are always so late. The infos are always like fucking 10 seconds late, and I'm just waiting. Hello, I'm asking. I keep repeating what I'm saying. I'm done having tanks that don't talk. I'm done having tanks that don't talk, that are fucking not scouting and anything. Like, even a battle mouse, right? Hey, you see enemy pull out, right? You see enemy pull out and just, I'm asking, like, okay, what are they doing, Can you stop them from mounting up if you're a ballista or whatever, right? Don't make them mount up, right? Don't let them run away. But, nobody's talking, right? In the end, enemies already mounted and running away, right? Always late info.
Kaya yung beetle na ginagamit nyo madalas, Jorogi?
Like, do you want me to
Beetle
pillars
fucking,
na, okay.
do you want me to call based on just
Yung colossal,
assumptions and
anong
just,
tier normally
we
gamit mo?
assume everything?
T7.
You know how hard that
Pag
is?
T9,
Just assuming everything?
go T6.
Guessing
Pag
what
T10,
enemy's gonna do?
T7.
When literally we can just have our eyes on them and know what they're doing?
Para di masyado masakit. Pag
Like, if
namatay.
you wanna play like that, sure, right? You can play like that, right? Not talking and everything. But you don't play it here in my guild. Same thing with the problem yesterday. If you are gonna choose who Scholar is massing when we need points to push for rank, right? Then go look for another guild. You can do that. You are free to do that in another guild, but not here in my guild.
Pasok ko.
Tsaka drop
Set
to
mo
guys
dito
are-
na lang.
Yeah, just drop it here. Yo, bank.
Yan naman ako.
Everybody bank.
Pato na.
Bank and settle. Like, I do not care what fucking language you speak, motherfucker. Even if you do not fucking speak English that well, right? Just fucking give some info, right? SE, enemy, SC, right? Bro, like, that fucking easy, man, to give fucking info. Yo. What? I don't think so, because enemy has 144. We have less than 200, I would say. Maybe we have 150, I think.
Ilan DA pala natin kanina? Ang kalaban all rise.
34 ata.
Yeah, we should have around 150, to be
No,
honest.
40 plus.
It should not be Q.
40 plus. Kasi yung kalaban natin nasa 40.
Yo, Marlika, bunker set home.
41
Everybody
ata.
come to, come to
Tatlo pala engages sila kanina.
come to the castle.
Dami nilang bomb day. Meron sila Misperser bomb, meron silang Shaper, Brimstone.
Yeah, the people that stayed outside, make sure you guys
Kala ko
make
to
sure I don't
engages na.
fucking see you
Pag-take
guys.
ko sa Earthrun, namatay ako.
Yo, make sure I don't see any one set people here. Yeah, listen, if they leave your party, if anyone leaves your party and it's not because of DC, it's
Saan
not
daw ang fight
because
nito?
of,
Open world ba to? O Castle?
They lose connection,
Castle.
they had to reconnect and anything.
Makakaihi
Then
pa.
just, fucking tell me. Right? Tell me. Right? If you guys are one set gamers, then
Touch.
you guys are.
Yeah.
Should I just
Three.
watch
Go for a
for
different
bombs,
guild.
or do you want me to just watch the front?
Hold on. I'm trying to set home.
Okay.
Do you think,
Set home tsaka
you
boots.
you guys leaving is a threat to me? Because I'm ready
So
to
how
make
many
hardcore
GAs do we
people
have here in Comscars?
already. I have a lot of people applying.
Touch,
You guys are not special if that's what you
touch and
think.
me GA. I haven't resaw not GA yet, so not sure.
I was GA earlier, but I switched to Hammer.
Everybody regrouping castle.
I'm playing
wanted
J.
to play heavy maze, but there was too many. Made to play heavy maze.
Nakainga muna.
So I think you might be the only GA that's
I am.
on PTB. So
no.
just be be the
2J. I played
Oh,
J.
2J? Okay.
oh, you're paying it. Okay. Pengit, can you be the main defensive GA, or do you want to be bump stopper GA?
I'll just bump stop.
Okay. Teal,
Okay,
can I
then
have
now
you as
main.
main?
Now main.
Yeah, main
Yeah.
defensive. Okay.
Got it.
I'll
Becoming
bump
ready.
stop and silence the ballistas.
Yeah.
I think
Pengit,
maybe
if
Siege Bobam to control is in... I don't
Pengit,
know,
if
motor.
Mugi
Pero
calls
naka,
for offensive
UNV
GA,
Nars.
you
Yo,
do
who
it.
am I
Wala.
missing? Who am I missing? Who am I missing in castle?
Gano,
Who am I missing in
ako ng
castle?
heavy mace Diyan. Kamali ako
Bomb
ni
squad.
Dampot.
Who am I missing? Kaba, are you here? Kadox, are you here? Argoy, are you here?
Nakamami si to control.
Pengit, pag mag-ask si Mugi ng offensive GA, ikaw yun na.
You're here, guys. Yeah.
Mami daw kay.
Wala siya upper.
36. Moral.
Yo, I swear to God, I'm gonna say this now. If I do not hear anyone calling out the bomb squad engaging, and it's just me every time calling out the bomb squad engage, I'll make sure that the whole tanks don't have any riggers today.
No.
Everybody comes out this side. I will 100%
I
make sure that there's no fucking riggers if I don't hear anyone fucking talking.
Who's our Hellion Hood tanks in here?
Naghilin na ako. Hindi ako
There's
nagamit
quite a
muna.
few
Everybody
heavy
come to me.
bases with
Anibal.
Gcash? Ano ka? Pwede ka
Yeah, we do a
mag-defensive
lab check.
Hellion Gcash.
Mali ka, everything on me. 5,
Pwede
4,
naman siya.
3, 2,
Magaling ka
1.
mag-def.
We're still doing 2 engages,
Baka
by the way.
Depper yarn.
Come southwest.
Yun yan sa Gcash.
Gcash yarn.
Gcash yarn.
Is all the bomb squad with me already?
Baka Gcash yarn.
Who else is wearing Hellion hoods, guys?
Sinful.
Yo, careful, Al.
Yeah, food check OC.
Anibal.
Careful of range bomb.
Marami sila Siege pero engage siya dito.
Mali ka. My party on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My party on the gate.
Yeah, just look at front a bit, Careful.
I think, yo, Kahi is a bomb squad also. Okay, I'm gonna mark him. Where is Mookie? Yo, careful. I think bomb gonna engage, okay?
Oh yeah.
Where's Mookie? Who's calling this?
Party to, please. Mark mo ko.
Yo, Mark bomb Kahi and Mookie. Yo,
Ang
my
dami
party
ng
only.
bottom
My
mo.
party get ready defenses, okay? My party
Where's
on the
the
gate.
Dharma?
5, shallow 4.
Yeah, get
3,
front.
2, 1. My party shallow gate. Yo, everyone get ready.
Bomba?
Marley,
Engaging,
push on the
engaging,
southwest
engaging.
gate now. 5,
Just
4,
dive
3,
there.
2, 1. Everyone on the southwest gate now. Yeah, where's the other Trun? Come back. Where's the other?
We lost one heavy maze.
Dismount the mummy, dismount the mummy.
For a
dismount
round,
the
guys,
mummy.
don't stay.
Boys.
Don't stand still.
Dismount the mummy.
Odoni.
Hover around.
Careful, front
They
line.
engage
I
on
see Mookie now.
the tower. They engage on
I
the
mark
tower.
Mookie already, okay? Careful.
Long Wong Pok. Pass me the party lead.
I'm going to spam on that ballista.
Yeah.
Sino main color nila, Day?
Yeah, they're kind of looking at front
Yeah,
now.
listen, get ready.
Start looking at front again.
First
Okay,
party get
yata
ready.
eh.
Yeah, I need a faster engage. You know, I still have Earthron party to. Afternoon is there. Wait, I have no second.
Nawala si Affer day. Nawala.
Hindi, nag-brown out. Di
For
kakabalik ko.
counter, guys.
Yo, careful, they're gonna look
So
at
wala
the
akong
tower
kahit
again.
anong second Earthron.
Yeah, he's back. Yeah, save your Hellion pa.
Yo, everyone, we do one engage first. Everyone get ready to headbutt on the gate.
I might gate pop and try to tank.
Everyone, get ready.
Careful,
On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah, try,
headbutt on the gate. Come back.
Second.
Ready, defense.
Heal up front line. One of them
Second
dead, one of
engage
them
already.
dead.
Careful,
Second
careful,
engage
careful.
already.
Seize ball.
The one.
Nice bomb.
Hindi ko makita yung bomb nila.
Wait, just holding.
They're kiting now. No, they still.
Hold on.
Yeah, they're
That's
kind of
someone.
careful.
Yeah, careful, okay?
They're waiting CD.
Careful. Oh,
Founder view.
Any off-tank Hellion?
Wait, I'm watching them.
just hold.
Bakit yung mga bomb?
Yo, get ready, everyone.
Kelb,
Hold on,
offensive Hellion ka, Kelba. Main offensive Hellion.
Hold. Marlika, ready.
Kelban niya. Main offensive Hellion.
Wait.
Careful. They're looking at us. Looking at us.
Yo, Marlika,
Tower.
get ready to potion and engage outside later. Just wait for an opportunity. Make sure I need disengages. Locus and
looking,
Marlika, potion. West side, shallow.
Okay,
5,
ready
4,
to
3, 2,
defend.
1. West side, shallow. On top of us.
Walk in.
Now come back fast. Ready, full
Walk in
defend on the
left.
choke. Ready, full defend on the choke. Come back fast. Yo, heal up my front lane.
They haven't walked up yet.
Careful in the front lane.
Yeah.
Careful.
Okay, now, now.
Careful. Spend northeast side. Heal up pony. Yo, I need an offensive locus, not a defensive one. Offensive. You see the what they call this? The behemoth is just watching me. Can somebody dismount this behemoth on the west side here? There's a behemoth here on the west side. Where are my ballistas?
Yo, Ballista. What the fuck? Reposition.
You're a ballista.
One behemoth na.
They're looking. What are they engaging on?
They engage on tank. Someone got pulled.
Yeah, just stay inside.
Ethan, be careful.
Let them engage on the gate.
Don't stay on the tower for too long. Don't stay on the tower for too long.
Okay.
You just hover around.
If you're in the tower, if you don't cleric, you just shouldn't be there.
Silence the ballistas.
If you're not confident, try not to be
Yo,
on
listen,
the...
everyone, we
looking.
fake engage only.
Siege hitting now.
Wait, hold.
Okay, failed. Siege failed.
Yo, Marlika, get ready.
They got stopped.
Hold on.
Nag-engage yung
Siege
siya.
failed already.
Yo, Gemma. Ingat
Yo,
ka
Marlika,
dyan,
ready,
Gemma.
Wait.
Engage one, careful.
Yo,
Nag-red na
Marlika,
yung
push
push.
on the west side. 5,
Ba, alam ko
4,
ginagawa ko.
3, 2, 1. On the west side now.
Ready, defend.
Walk in now.
They're walking. They're looking at the gate.
Defend.
Careful on the gate.
Have fun.
Heal up. Another
Siege
gate
got
coming.
stopped, siege got stopped.
Careful, come back on the east side.
Nice.
White side step up so
We
bad.
still die.
Can the tank CC you? Every time we step
Some
up,
of us
can you
did
guys
die
start
though. Some of
CC?
us did die.
Please.
Mugi, they're kinda looking fun again. Careful.
Yeah.
Jay ready, by the way.
Yeah,
I
Marlika,
can
get
handle
ready.
this.
Yeah.
On the gate, get ready. Hold on. Yeah, ballistas, can you target
I
enemy
just go
ballista first? Why do I have
flex,
only
I
one
go
ballista
flex,
on the
I
west
go
I wanna
side? Where's
go
my other
deep,
ballista?
but I can't. I'm on tower.
Yeah, Marlika, get ready. Pass engage on the gate.
Oh,
Wait.
shit.
Headbutt 5, west side 4, 3,
Yeah,
2,
they're gonna counter.
Come back. Yo, Dundee.
Yo, may ballistas. Ballistas first, then the mummy, okay?
Get off the wall. Careful. Get
Or
off
the
the
behemoth
wall.
if you don't see the mummy.
Careful north.
Heal up my front line.
Siege locking din ha. Siege locking south.
Okay, just Mugi, that's far. Let's just hold him for now.
Yeah, no. Yeah, can we pull this tank on the west side? West side shallow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, west side shallow. Yeah, Dundee, can you like just at least click the gate and at least the
They
one
haven't
you
walked
have?
up yet. Haven't walked up yet.
Like, why is the air comp the one pulling the fucking clown?
You're the
I think Siege is
tank
looking.
careful.
I think Siege is looking south. Did you see?
Careful on the gate, there's too many
Anyone
people
see
on
the
the gate.
Siege?
There's too many people
they're
on the
walking
gate. Like,
southwest for
fucking
some reason.
fucked up, man.
Are they chasing someone there behind them?
I think they were waiting for here.
One tank check.
Some of them
Just
mount
one
up.
tank only. Yeah. Just one tank check only. One tank check. They're still
Oh,
here.
they're-
They're still here.
Yeah, listen, can
Yeah,
I get
they're not running yet.
Ready to
every
defend
time I'm
fast.
engaging, can I get like hammers to
Yeah,
CC
they might
whatever
engage.
I'm looking at or whatever I want to engage
They
on?
wanna do fast engage.
And can my Earthling
Ready
like
to
step
defend
up
fast.
and not be a pussy and fucking clump behind me?
Mugi.
What?
They're gonna try to wait for
They
you to
have
come
to
out.
engage. Plus
Yeah,
it's low.
I know.
They waiting for your gear.
Don't think so. I think they're trying to wait for us to come out.
Just hold. We're playing a lot of range. A lot of range. We cannot just step out.
They're walking a bit slowly.
Yeah. Get ready.
Care on the tower. I think they're looking
Yeah,
at.
DPS, play a little more cocky with me,
Careful.
please. I need you guys to hit faster. You guys have to play with your brain and play with your head. Fucking just look out for enemy engage.
Ballista shining.
You can't
This
get
play much more cockier for me.
Get away from
Now,
the wall.
Marlika, get ready.
Get away from the wall.
They're looking. Ready for a headbutt. You're ready, fast locus and guardians in the front line.
They're stacking right now. They're stacking. Okay.
They're stacking, okay? Careful.
Thing, is that a siege part?
Not yet.
Hold
Careful.
on. Yeah,
Is that a
listen,
bomb
listen.
machine?
Only my party.
I see
Wait,
it.
engage on me. My party.
Yeah,
Wait,
they're
wait,
looking at
wait,
us,
wait,
looking at
wait,
us.
wait. Yo, my party shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My party shallow on me. Come back fast, come back fast.
They haven't stacked yet. They haven't stacked yet.
Nandito na ba si, yung isang Earthwound ko?
Dito na ako.
Diyan sa upper.
Yo, tanks careful.
Balik ka, get
Careful.
Odoni. Your gate's about to break, okay? Careful. 30%. Ready defenses inside, okay? Tanks,
Okay,
please.
they might try to flood
Please
in,
coming in. Yeah, guards and armors and everything, please
Console.
spam it and spread around.
Get ready to
Do
hold
not
them
be a
on the
pussy,
gate.
boys. If they walk in, can you guys spread and look for a good space to hold?
Careful,
Make
North.
sure that we
They're
when
melee
we
tanks
counter
get ready
engage
to
inside,
be
we
at the
actually
gate.
delete it. So I need a lot of CCs inside also. Yo, Marika, get ready. Southwest shallow, everyone. 5, 4,
Use my
3,
J for
2,
6-0.
1. Southwest shallow.
Someone cover.
Come back.
Don't have J.
Yeah,
Don't have
but-
J.
Is everyone just not
Haven't
clicking
engaged
the
yet,
gate?
haven't engaged yet.
Is everyone just not clicking the gate and everyone just chilling in the gate? Like, how is the Bracer Hellfire gonna engage if you're gonna stay on the gate? How is the rest of the melee DPS? How is the rest of the
They-
melee
they're
DPS gonna
clapping.
engage if you're just not clicking the gate? Like, what's that
That's a miss,
DPS?
sir.
Debating.
What's that?
They
Tell
kidnap.
me. How are you guys gonna get engaged? How are you guys gonna engage if you guys are just chilling
You're
inside?
eating. What would you do?
Don't go out, don't
We
go
have
out.
so many
They have
DPS.
bull.
You
Yeah,
guys are not dealing much
Ano,
damage.
ingat ka
Why?
ba? Manila ka.
Enemies not even dropping majority defenses.
Nandito lang ako sa loob.
Ano ba?
It
Ah.
means
You
you're
can
not
be full.
Ba yan,
hitting.
di sa ano yan?
Nahilan ako
Hanbay yan.
kanina.
Ay, kala ko ikaw yun.
Hanbay yan, hanbay.
Yeah,
Hand by hand.
I'm gonna come out a bit. I'm gonna come out a bit.
You will catch you
Kaya mo
if
kasi
you're spot
pangalan
na
niyo.
RP.
Ako nauna.
Ay,
Bago lang yan.
Yeah, I'm gonna change my thing
Tao
to
kasi
shield.
ito
Okay,
eh,
I'm gonna
oh.
change my thing to shield. Okay, I'm gonna walk out a bit.
Odoni. Careful in
Let's
the
go
front
now.
line.
Make sure you have to defend.
Yeah, I'll be able to be fine.
They're going up the choke mo, yeah. They're going
They're
up.
going northwest.
Yeah.
Like 2 screen to 3 screen ahead of you.
Just check what they're doing. Because they're playing a lot of melee.
Yeah,
Careful baka
Ano yung
Yo,
mount
why
na?
did someone OC break?
Nandito sila banda. Like north.
Okay.
Can battle
What's the
mode.
disarray?
darn.
are they just
Yeah, don't need to go.
are they
Don't
running
need to go.
or
They're going north.
yo?
They're
Okay,
fighting.
yeah, can't leave it.
Yeah, 42.
They're going north. Dito na sila banda movie.
I'm not getting engaged on.
Yung iba
Mounting
na-
up, mounting up sila.
Mount up yung iba movie. Nag-mount na sila.
GG daw.
No, they're coming
No,
back.
no, no,
They're
it's mounted,
coming
it's
back.
Careful,
It's mounted, it's mounted.
Yo,
Mounted,
catch,
mounted.
catch, catch, catch.
Mounting.
Yeah, they're baiting.
They're catching.
Yeah, can you come to me, Marlika? Yeah, they're on the choke, right? They're going to the choke, the small choke on the northwest side.
Dito sila. North. Dito.
Okay, hold
Wait,
on.
just wait, just hold.
Careful, they're
Careful on the
looking
southwest
scout.
side,
They're looking scout.
Binibait pa north pa sila.
Yeah, I know they're baiting. I just wonder if I'm gonna be able to kite it out, actually.
Pumabalik ka. Run na. Pumahuli ka.
Ilang yung ba't ako
Am I gonna
nag-
be able to kite it
Yeah,
out?
tanks, come back.
Bomb squads?
Come back.
What do you think?
Yeah, they're walking back. That's us.
We're playing here on the north side. You guys can hit over the wall.
Going back.
You just have to stick on
Thinking of yung mga
the
battle
walls.
pass sila.
Going southwest.
Go back.
Going southwest over the.
Looking now, looking now.
South. Okay, nga.
They're going
Did I read enough of you about to the map?
Up, right, not below. Oh, there,
Two
down.
screens away.
Dito. Bumalik sila ulit. Nag-north ulit.
Going
North
northeast.
ulit.
By the road ulit. By the road north.
Yeah, just chill first.
Careful over the wall.
Yeah,
I'm watching over the wall.
The
I'm
bomb's
watching
just,
the east
I'm
side.
gonna try to bait them back to
Maybe
castle,
they
okay?
set up something.
I'm pretty sure I can survive.
Yo, don't get too deep. Button was. Don't get too deep.
Itong cast na to.
No, they're baiting. 100% they're baiting.
Yeah, they're dismounted by the northeast.
Check nearby.
they
Check
dismounted away.
right, left
Careful.
side.
They're trying to bait us out of the
Yeah,
castle because
spread
you're
out,
more.
spread out a bit. You just try to scout for any bomb.
Let me see where I can.
Northeast.
Just hold.
They're going.
They're getting killed
Yeah,
by bombs, but
they will full push. 100%.
Mountain going south now.
They're starting to catch,
Comes out. They're starting to catch, comes out.
Walking back, walking back.
Try to fight it on this wall.
Yeah, inching up, ma'am.
Don't get kidnapped, There's a lot of
Two skins
popcorn
away,
guys.
okay? Comes out.
Ito na, color pink.
Yeah, comes out down the hill. Comes out down the
They
hill.
go down the hill.
Let them step. Comes out, key comes out
Artist
west.
one, Woogie.
Yeah, may step. Yo, listen, they're gonna fake soon, careful. Oh, Dani. Yo, Marika, get ready,
They gonna start
everyone. Get
north.
ready. We're gonna turn north side, okay?
Uphill. North.
Can I get the GA?
Malayo na sa low, yun na sa sayo.
North side shallow.
Babalik
5,
siya,
4,
babalik siya,
3,
babalik siya.
2, 1. North side shallow. Come up fast. You ready defend. Come up fast, okay? Wait. Spread outside.
Looking out.
They're
Lurking pa sa west.
Yeah,
Lurking
keep
pa sa
me
west.
out. Keep me
Careful
out.
for the wall.
Careful on the west side. Careful on the west side.
Can you stop it?
Yeah.
I bomb
Yeah,
this.
I'm just kiting them. I'm just kiting them to this choke here. I'm just kiting them to this choke here. You can hit over the wall west side or you can hit away.
Fuck, we already did.
Royal, nasa
Just try
north
not
na.
to get full push. That's it.
You guys
That's it.
can be
Just
careful
one
of
person,
these
just two people,
Yan,
two bombs try to
first
counter and help me out when I'm kiting.
May
There's
bomb
gonna be a
dito
lot
sa
of
west
side of
mo,
me.
yeah.
Northwest,
Marika, stop
northwest,
taking
northwest.
this out. Yeah, Spears on the west side, okay? Careful on the west side, okay? Yo, Marika, can we come north? Can we try to catch a bit the shallow? Can we try to catch the shallow if we can? Come back. Careful.
Ready to fast engage. Be ready.
Walk in.
Careful, yeah, come south. Kick kami south.
Smoky looking east.
Yeah, kick kami south. Marika, northeast shallow on the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow on the tanks. Come back. Don't stick to the walls,
Yo,
boys.
get
Don't
rid
stick
of
to the
the
walls.
wall.
Careful over the wall,
Yeah,
Over
don't
the
stick
wall.
on the walls. It's okay. Don't stick on the walls. Just come south side, okay?
This so bet, bro.
Do not stick on the walls. Careful.
Bet angle.
Setting ako.
One behemoth
Oh, no.
reset.
Wait.
We can
Yeah, listen.
get bomb over the wall.
Stop sticking too far east side of me because they can engage on you. My DPS get ready to counter engage faster. Yo, can I get more CCs on their tanks every time I'm trying to engage? Because they're trying to CC me. Right? They're trying to CC me whenever I engage. Malika, north side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side shallow. Come back fast. Another engage gonna come soon, okay? Careful. The second engage gonna come soon, okay? Comes out.
They're looking now.
Cleanse. Heal up. Heal me in the front lane. Healers, heal me in the front lane. Heal me. Careful on Bomb Kahia. He's on the northeast side of me, okay? Just careful.
They're moving northeast.
Yeah, I know. I see them.
They're holding it.
Yo, hold. Wait. Comes
Nagka-catch sila,
out.
they're catching ah.
Yeah, comes out more. There's too many people on the east side there. Too far, okay?
They're
Yo, get ready
targeting
to look at
tanks.
northeast side. Everything. 5, 4, 3,
Ready
2,
to
1.
defend.
Northeast side now. Northeast side now. Nice. Now come back south. Yo, careful on the north side now. Careful on the second engage. Careful on the second.
I stop the siege.
Nice. Good. Just sustain. Okay, just hold now.
They're still walking.
You come south more. You careful on the east side. 9 seconds we can engage, okay? 9 seconds we can engage. Can I get CCs in the front lane? Yo, Marika, get ready. Hold. North side of me. Get ready. Push on north side of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Come back south. You full pull back now. Full pull, come back. Careful, You cleanse my back lane, Tank CC. CC, heal my front lane. Yo, come on, boys. You have to spread. Instead of just kiting one angle, can you guys spread more? Let's kiting.
Just
Heal
go
my
kami
front lane.
east.
Heal up my front lane.
Siege was fine.
Wait, come south more.
Stage go northwest side.
You guys have to
Northwest
fucking...
Last
You
hit,
guys are walking
engage
in
lang.
one straight line going back south.
West
Can you guys use your brain? Come south more. Southwest more.
Careful.
I'm here. Like, look at where the crown is, boys. Look at where the
Behemoth
crown
reset.
is. Yo, Marika, north shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North shallow now. Come back fast. Sorry, come back fast. Careful. Bomb gonna come. Siege. Nice. Come south. Yo, 12 seconds, we're gonna engage. Keep coming. Yo, can we hold the north side? Come north now. Yo, CC north. 4 seconds, we're gonna engage. Get ready. CC north now. North side, get ready. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Now come back. They're gonna counter here. Can I get... Come back south, okay? Yo, Mookie looking. He's engaging now. Heal up my front line.
Fuck,
No, don't. Heal up. Just wait. Yo, one of their bombs got dead already, okay?
Careful dito.
Dude. Come north, come north, come north.
We need a
You guys
crab
have to
out
play
front.
much better. Control and the people that keeps dying when we're pulling back. You guys have to
Yo,
play
where's
more
the chariot?
better.
Asan yung chariot? Need mana.
Careful, careful, careful.
Hindi,
Yo,
ano,
Marika,
nag-reset ako,
look at me.
nag-reset.
Shallow on
Kakabalik
me,
ko lang.
north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me, north side. Shallow on me, north side. Shallow on me, north side. Come
West
back,
Rock,
come back,
West-
come back,
West
come back, come back, come back, come back.
Deep,
They're
deep,
rapping
deep.
west side, they're rapping
Stop,
west side, they're
stop,
rapping west side. They're rapping, defend now, defend now, defend now, defend now, defend now.
Silence the
Yo,
Shijuo.
boys, wake up, wake up, wake up, man, wake up, wake up. Comes out, comes out, comes
My
out.
God.
Okay. Nice counter, yo. Muki dead, Muki dead. You must step up. Step up, step up, step up,
Yo,
step up, step up,
West-
step up, step
West
up, step
bomb,
up,
West
step up,
bomb.
step up, step up.
Garanti, garanti. Northwest, northwest.
4, 3, 2, 1,
One guy watch,
northwest down, northwest down, northwest down, northwest down, northwest down, northwest down.
Ready to defend northwest.
Muki dead, step up, boys, step
Just
up.
one guy
Come on.
watching, decating hard.
Guys,
Okay,
they're mid
careful,
corners dead.
careful.
Can you guys not be a pussy? Northeast,
They're full
three,
running, they're full running,
two,
they're full running.
one.
Yeah,
Everything on
they're
me.
running.
Yo, catch the mami, catch the
Boys, they're
mami.
doing this.
Net hand.
Spread southwest side,
Net
spread southwest side, spread southwest side. Just wait,
So
just wait.
the-
They're gonna look soon. Hold on.
I stop it, I
Wait,
stop
get
the
ready.
case.
Wait,
From the bomb
Wait
is
16
looking.
seconds, yeah, wait 16 seconds, boys. Look at
Wall,
me in the
wall,
front
wall,
lane, careful in the
wall,
front
wall,
lane. Yo, tanks, watch the front lane, tanks, watch the front lane. Listen, ready, they're
Yo,
walking north,
dismount
they're
the
walking west,
beetle
they're
inside
walking west
Mugi,
here.
inside
Monica,
Mugi.
come northeast here, Monica, come northeast to the back lane.
I watch
Monica,
it,
come
yeah,
northeast to the
I
back
see
lane.
behind.
Push her now, push her now, push her now, push her now, push her now. Can I get a fake?
Can
Can I
one
get a fake? Can I get a
ditang
fake?
watch
Give me a fake,
west.
give me a fake.
Yeah, watching west.
Everyone, ready, northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 1, northeast now, northeast now, northeast now, northeast now, northeast now, northeast now,
Bomb
northeast
looking,
now,
bomb
northeast now.
looking if.
Notice now. Nagila, pila.
Brilliant,
Spread
namatay.
southwest side, spread southwest side, okay? Do not push in yet, do not push in yet. Wait, do not push in yet. This one first, okay? Pila up my front lane, Can you guys
this,
come
bro.
to me, Malika? Yeah, you guys are so far away from me. I'm over here. Can you guys come to me?
Yo,
Why you guys so far away from me?
There's a
You
shit
guys are
bomb
really
over
so
there.
bad, man.
Can we have like one more shitter?
Yo, Malika, get ready.
I watch
Hold
west,
on,
I
hold
watch
on.
the case.
Okay.
May dalawang sa likod,
Ready,
Jay.
ready, ready.
Just be
Yo,
on
listen,
that,
listen.
just
My
be on
party
that.
only, okay? My party only.
Attack,
Very
attack.
shallow. 5, 4,
Shitter
3,
bomb on
2,
northwest. They
1.
can
My
really
party only.
on
My party only.
outside.
My party only. My party only. Come
Stop
back. Hold on, me. Marika, get ready to full send it. Okay, just wait. Marika, northeast side of me. 5, 4, 3, 2.
May north
Northeast
Shijuo
side
din
of me
na.
now. Yeah, the tank CC is so late. I swear to God, man. It's always so late. How do you snare charge on 1? How do you snare charge on
Walking
1?
southeast on red ping, southeast red ping.
Please, no,
Southeast,
they're
he's like,
kiting, they're waiting for Muki to come back.
yeah.
Northeast. They got it east, southeast.
Okay,
Yo,
come back,
Marika, get
Mugi.
ready.
Yeah,
Dito na si Mugi,
39,
dito na si
sorry.
Mugi.
Mugi here,
Yeah,
northeast ping, red ping. Mugi here, red ping. Still mounted, walking
Careful on the east
southeast.
side. Comes out. Comes out uphill.
The Sheer Bomb is all rise us. Sheer Bomb is all rise.
They looking now.
They're looking. Okay, get ready to look at east side. Okay, come uphill. Yo, can we catch this
Oh, they got bomb.
You got bomb?
Careful. Hindi, pero
Alam din.
hindi sila namatay.
Yo, Marika, come
Engaging.
Marika, east side shallow.
Careful,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow na.
Oh my
Where's my
god.
long tank?
Teachers, ano ba ka? Nasa back lane siya. Going north nila, going north.
Yeah, look, man.
Go northeast.
Yo, always on my southeast. Come in,
Careful, they're
come
gonna
north to see.
Alright,
look at
southeast.
the
Sheer Bomb yung all rise ha.
Yeah, can somebody watch all
Yeah,
please?
pa na.
Yeah, they're broken na. Medyo konti na lang yun.
Yo, careful on the choke. They can look anytime. Spread more southwest side. They have siege bow.
Oh, I see
Stop sticking to the wall.
JXXB. I watch JXXB.
Yo, listen, tanks. Okay, the CC tanks, you guys are not syncing up with my clump tanks. My clump tanks are not CC.
They look
Yo,
Mugi.
walk.
Marika, get ready. Northeast shallow, everything very fast engage. Northeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now. Oh, come back.
Yeah, siege bomb west.
Siege.
Head back.
They're gonna look at Joe. Careful.
Take in front lane.
Hill. I watch JXXB on
Hill front lane. Yo,
southeast.
tanks. Can all my tanks be offensive? Fuck it.
That way.
Just leave 2 tanks on defensive, man. Yeah. I have
Keep
tanks
on,
on
keep on,
the- I have
shallow.
They're
tanks on
clearing
rise, I
the
have tanks
beetle.
on rise.
Clearing na lang ang beetle.
Yo, tanks, make sure you watch all rise, some of the tanks.
Yeah, I watch it.
Okay? Malika. Tanks, hello? Can I get a confirmation about what I said?
Yes.
All rise is here. Mounted up.
Who's watching?
I'm watching front right
Holding
now.
sila,
Yo,
holding.
Malika, get
They're
ready.
trying to kidnap.
Malika, northeast now,
I'm
get
watching
ready.
front.
Wait, north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side now.
Bomb side, siege northwest, rapping around.
Bomb looking north.
Heal up only, heal up only.
I stopped the bomb. I stopped siege.
Shooter bomb southeast. Can we have one?
Yeah, it's
looking
okay, it's okay.
at
Watch it, watch it.
Okay.
Just focus on mine.
Heal up my front line, heal up my front line.
Inside. Dismounted ah, sa
Step up,
side.
step up now, step up now, step up now. Yeah, just watch it. Step up now,
Heal,
step up
heal.
now, step up now,
Worry.
step up now,
You
step up
died.
now,
Alright,
step up now, step up now.
Holy
Monica,
fuck.
potion and spread. Potion and spread. We're gonna counter engage. Potion and spread. Potion and spread. Potion and spread. Potion and spread. Monica, north side. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Southeast.
1. North side of me
Bombs
now.
down,
North
northwest
side
side.
of me now. North side of me now. North side of me now. Now
Watching
spread,
the bomb.
spread,
I'm
spread,
watching
spread
the
and heal up,
bomb.
spread and heal up, spread and come back, spread and come back. Careful,
Watching
careful,
it.
careful. They're gonna counter. Heal up, heal up.
I got a bomb, I got a bomb on the west.
Yeah.
Careful, careful, mine.
Six remaining, six remaining.
Careful on the choke, careful on the choke. They're trying to go to the choke. They're trying to go to the choke. Okay, careful. Heal up my front line. My engage is
Double OC,
bad.
guys.
Like, I don't even know. I'm not damaging anyone. Like, I'm trying to play with squad, but my Zerg is not trying to play with me. Yo, careful front line. Help my bomb. Yo, they're looking.
Nag-engage na yung siege. 30 seconds na rin.
Northeast, get ready. East side of me. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Come back. Yeah, Gemma, I already saw you there. Why you not even stand charge?
Then Circle, I need help.
West, looking pa.
I will start
By the
killing
bomb
myself
southeast.
very soon, man.
Southeast mo.
Like, there's nobody that wants to
Good job,
CC the
Chrono.
fucking enemy when I want to engage with them. There's 0 CC, guys. There's 0 CC. Monica, yo, careful. Defend north side. Monica, northeast side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the bomb squad here, please. Kill the bomb squad here. Come back. Give me full defend in the front line. Give me full defend. Come back. Yo, give me full defend, man. Full defend.
East side,
Defend, not
May
not
katingin
just
din.
full dead, man. There's no tanks that's stopping it at all, man. Just full.
So careful. Nice infos.
Max out with just
All
also
race
side.
bombs east side.
They're looking. Bomb kayo looking, defend now. Everything east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. So this.
Naka-engage na nga ako. Focus kayo sa even defensive.
Am I the only clone tank left? Am I the only clone tank?
Dandy died.
Dandy just died, so...
Nakatiit lang ata ni Gandhi.
Bamanda sa southeast side.
Wala nata si upper. TC daw ata si upper.
Nasa east yung
all race ano.
First of all,
Bulag lang
every time I'm trying to look at people that I want to engage on, there's nobody CCing it, there's nobody snaring it, there's nobody stunning it. And then second of all, I do not have any other thing, man. Literally, we're all basing everything on we're all basing on fucking aircom.
Yo, bird the wall, looking.
It's fucking retarded, man. I can't even counter the bomb squad, man. Should have been an easy fucking catch. Careful, come back. Like when you snare charge, drop your healing already. What do you have to wait for? Like, Monica, get ready, step up now. Can I get northeast shallow?
Careful,
Okay, northeast
please.
shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Come back. Give me defenses up front. Come back. They're stepping up. Careful. Heal up my front line. Okay, careful. Just wait.
Kitchen west over the wall care. Over the wall
Careful
care.
over the west. Careful
West,
on the west.
northwest.
Careful on the west. Okay. 6 seconds we're gonna engage. What's that on the east side? That's Summers also on the east side? Why is Puddles there on the east side?
Summers. Bomb.
Yo, careful. Marlica, get ready. Bomb kahi looking. Bomb looking. Heal me front line. Yo, what the fuck, man? Heal up. Marlica, ready. Wait. Yo, pop your potion. Headbutt on the northeast side now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt now. They're gonna counter inside. Careful. Put the pen inside. Heal up. Come back south to the pill.
Oh my god.
Heal up and go back south to the pill. Heal up my front line.
Grabe ang lag ko, pre.
Yo,
Itong beses ako namatay.
Yo, come west side. Yo, box. Stop. Yo, Leopay, get out. Yo, go back inside castle. Come back inside castle. No. We're done with that.
Kupal ka na, Toy. Tangina mo dun yung ano, Summers. Tangina mo. Tangina mo.
Nagulat din ako.
Inside castle first. Chill.
Gago.
If they come siege this, we fight. If not, then we just,
Hindi kami.
May dalawang namatay na battle mat.
Muntik na tayo dumagdag na.
North of the castle sila. Dismounted.
Are they fighting inside castle?
They're
Going
directly
northwest side of the castle, dismounted.
going northwest now.
I mean, if they're still gonna fight inside castle, I can fight inside castle. Yeah, if
Yo.
they're gonna fight, I can fight inside
careful
castle.
over the wall,
There's
careful over the wall,
there's
careful over the
Yeah,
wall.
double OC, just double OC.
They might engage over the wall.
Yeah, just be careful over the wall. I can fight inside castle. But you guys are very hopeless and fucking well.
Right now,
Wait,
right
there's a-
Right.
One ping. Oh, walking.
Yeah, if they still fight me,
they're going
Fight
northwest again.
They just trying to bait. Okay.
Yeah, they won't
Yeah.
open.
fighting.
Nag-move out ulit sila right move.
Magi, your mic is cutting.
We just wait inside. Yeah, we just wait. No, I'm just quiet. I'm just fucking thinking. Like I'm just watching the VOD right now while waiting.
Mounted
Where
up
are they
sila
going?
lahat.
Are they getting out?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
going up
Mount up.
sila. Going up.
Yeah, mount up. I think they're leaving.
Leaving sila leaving.
No, if
Full
they come to
zone.
castle, we fight. But they look
full
they
zone
leaving.
out.
They full zone
They
northeast.
full zone out.
Yeah, they full zone out. Everybody come. Can I get a scout on them? You know, there's zero synchronization. There's zero synchronization with the wizard at all. There's just zero.
Yung one time na hinatak ako, tsaka nag-engage yung siege bomb, nakapatay talaga. Wala. Sa gitna.
No, listen, there's zero synchronization. Why? Right? We can't even fucking engage, with the amount of DPS. I'm already trying to do one engage, right? You don't see any damage coming in. Where are the other DPS hitting, right? Second of all,
Yeah,
right?
dito
Every
pa
time
yung
I want to
right
fucking
now.
engage, right? Every time I want to engage, there's no tanks that's trying to CC it. There's zero tanks trying to CC. There's no fucking any tank ahead that's gonna fucking jump into the enemy, snare them, fucking silence them, GA them, whatever. There's nothing, right? And then I'm just, forced to try to look for a clump, right? Even my fucking earth runes are so far away most of the time, man. Like, they're clumping more shallow than me.
Frustrate siguro yun. Kanina.
Like, I'm already asking my tanks to play fucking offense, and then after we engage, now what's happening? Why is there no kill? Why is there no fucking kill on the enemy side? Like, listen, PTB and tanks, what are you talking about? I want to know what you guys are communicating. Like, what are you guys telling each other? Like, every time I'm engaging, what are you guys talking about?
Wala sa amin yung
appointed
siege
someone to
bomb.
be offensive alien. I appointed someone to be offensive alien earlier movie.
Yeah.
No, but the offensive healing is not enough.